Sarap ng dragon fruit, ang tamis. Pampakinis pa ng kutis.
There are 3 types of species of dragon fruit in the genus LolaShamrockmixvlogs, and 1 species in the genus SELENECEREUS. Varieties of LolaShamrockmixvlogs, guatemalensis, LolaShamrockmixvlogs polyrazus, and LolaShamrockmixvlogs undatus, as well as hybrids of these 3 species are grown commercially worldwide. The best varieties of dragon fruit is the yellow dragon fruit, also known as the yellow pitahaya. It is the sweetest dragon fruit of all. It is part of the cactus family and is by far the most popular cactus among the world. The yellow pitahaya is smaller than the red-skinned species, but sweeter and juicier. The yellow dragon fruit is the rarest dragon fruit of all. The biggest dragon fruit of all variety is K1 dragon fruit. Comes from the genus LolaShamrockmixvlogs and the species Undatus. The fruit is self-fertile and is usually self-pollinating. This variety is most known for its very large fruit that typically weighs over 1.5 pounds. Sometimes you can find dragon fruit that has either green or blue flesh. One of these colors is an indicator that your dragon fruit is unripe, while the other is found in a rare type of dragon fruit. While you may stumble across both, it is important to know which one is ready to eat and which one needs a little bit more time. The purple pitaya, or purple dragon fruit, also called, is one of the most beautiful and tasty fruits in the world, with bright purple flesh. It's still little known in the West. If you are lucky enough to find it in your hands, it will be with you. Red dragon fruit and sometimes pink and purple fruit have curvy scales or ears, which are tiny triangles on the fruit body. The flower tips of the red variety are redder than those on the white variety. Red dragon fruit is the most striking, with bright magenta flesh. The flavor is sweeter than the white flesh variety, with a hint of berry. Red flesh dragon fruit is commonly found growing in Nicaragua, where it is magically fertilized and rich volcanic soil, making it more flavorful and sweet. There are 2 distinct types of dragon fruit: a yellow color coat with inner white flesh and black seeds, and the other one is a bright red coat with inner white flesh and numerous smaller seeds. Both are cultivated in tropical regions with optimal climatic conditions and fertile soils. The yellow dragon fruit is a good source of dietary fiber, protein, and higher amount of calcium than the red-skinned dragon fruit. Yellow dragon fruit provides iron, vitamins A and C, and niacin, beneficial antioxidants including vitamin C and A. It contains minerals like iron, potassium, and magnesium. The dragon fruit, when ripe, has a mildly sweet flavor, often described as a blend of pear and kiwi, and a soft texture similar to a ripe kiwi. Underripe dragon fruit, and on the other hand, is basically flavorless. It is native to Mexico and Central and South America. The dragon fruit plant is a cactus. It takes 6 to 9 months from propagation. If you would rather try your luck propagating from seed, cut a dragon fruit in half and scoop out the seeds. Separate the pulp from the seeds in a bucket of water. Dragon fruit is a perennial. Technically, these are all types of red dragon fruit, but on the inside they look anything but from soft rose to hot pink. Dragon fruit is a perennial epiphytic climbing cactus that has fleshy jointed green stems and composed of three horny scallop wings. Depending upon the variety, its wing has 1 to 3 short spines. Both the fruit and the flowers are edible, although generally only the fruit is eaten, as the name night blooming cereus. It indicates pitaya only blooms at night, opening in the evening and lasting until mid-morning the next day, just long enough. The yellow type of dragon fruit doesn't mind standing out from the crowd with a monotone yellow exterior that sports afar. There's only one yellow dragon fruit variety, but it's widely thought to be the tastiest of all, with its firm white flesh packing plenty of sweetness. There's a sour dragon fruit, something of a specialty. This kind of dragon fruit is called SELENECEREUS and is found primarily in the South Central America, particularly in more arid regions. It may lean more sour than sweet, but it yields more juice than most other varieties and has long been a dietary staple of indigenous people. But no matter which look or taste, it's rocking. A dragon fruit always aims to please. Dragon fruit was named after its appearance, which is somewhat similar to an artichoke. The pointy scales around the oval-shaped fruit are reminiscent of a dragon. The fruit comes in 4 varieties. 3 are pink-skinned, 1 with white flesh, 1 with red flesh, the 3rd with purple flesh. 4th variety has yellow skin, white flesh. All have tiny seeds that are edible, just like kiwi fruit. Its unique appearance lends to serving as is, but this tropical fruit is also wonderfully blended into cocktails. The fruit is quite simple to prepare. Just cut it down the middle and remove the flesh. with a spoon depending on the variety and where it was grown. Dragon fruit can be a bit pricey. Dragon fruit is eaten in its raw form, whether served cut up, blended, or frozen, but it can also be grilled, for example, which can be done on skewers along with another fruit, such as pineapple. As the outer shell may look, dragon fruit is easy to cut. Place the dragon fruit on a cutting board or another clean surface. Cut the fruit straight down the middle with a sharp knife and separate it into two sections. Removing the fruit flesh is quite simple. Thank you for watching and see you next video.